Yeah.
Back with another video. So today, I'm handcuffed, guys. As you can see, guys, look at this. I'm handcuffed. Yeah, this is just a toy handcuff, but it actually looks like real handcuffs, but it's actually not, guys. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get out of handcuffs. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing you're gonna need is the key toys, obviously, to take it out. So as you can see here, guys, it says you have to turn it 1/4 of the way for the key. So obviously you're gonna need the key to escape from handcuffs, but there's other ways. I'll show you guys after. So you just do it like that. Turn it. Woo! We're out, boy. Yep, we're out. And take that key out, and then we do the other, which is on this side. See, guys, right there. Just gonna poke it. Turn it. Boom! Got out. Right. Yep, and we got out. We got out of these handcuffs, guys. See, yeah, guys, that's the first thing. That's the first way how to get out. But this is the first way how to get out. But this is gonna be another way, and yeah. Next one, guys, back again. So this is the second idea of how to escape from handcuffs. It's really simple, guys. You guys need like a hair clip or something like this, and yeah, the second idea right now is actually the most helpful. The other one was just this one, which was too easy, you know, because it's the key, you know. But this is actually a really good one if you're actually handcuffed. I don't recommend. I mean, if criminals are watching this video, they could probably get out by this, and I might go to jail. But enough about that. You use this hair clip. You use this side because that's the two things, and you just poke it in there, and then what you want to do is get in, and then you want to keep turning it, guys, until it gets all the way out. So this is actually by hair clip, guys, as you can see. Not really good at this sometimes, but I'm just trying to get it out. So like, yeah, it's pretty difficult, guys, as you can see. So yeah, it might take a bit of time before you can actually get out from this. Yeah, it just takes a little bit of time, guys. So don't rush. Don't like rush too much, cause like, you know, just be patient a little. Just like let it get some time, and then soon you'll get out of these. Pretty soon. Yeah. For me, I just tested this to make sure it actually works, and it actually does. But you know, the other hand is all handcuffs, so like, yeah, let's go like this. Oh my gosh. Here, guys, it's taking a long time, but I'm not gonna pause it because I want to show you guys you can actually get out from this with only toy handcuffs. Dang. These are actually really hard. You know what? How about I just do this one? Maybe it might be a little bit easier. I don't even know. Oh, there you go, guys. I got it out, guys. I used the hair clip to get out. So yeah, guys, I didn't actually use my hand. I didn't use the key, guys, obviously. I used the hair clip, guys, so yeah. This should be a little bit easier for you guys. Plug it in like this. And then, guys, oh shoot. And then here we go, guys. Got it! Got it, guys. Yeah, it took a bit of time, but you can actually get out of these handcuffs only a hair clip. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this life hack for handcuffs when you're handcuffed. And yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed. Also comment down below if it was really helpful. And also subscribe down below if you're new. And also turn on those post notifications to never miss any of my videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, bye guys.